They're playing Tower Mall fast football. Tower Mall fast football with the rain. Raining. And skillfully. I go by the name of Kasim Venda. Who says me if you want to know much about what's going on. Tower Mall fast football. They're playing and it's raining and it's very good.